Evelyn's just cleaned the Princess Parrot cage. Put fresh food in there.
Hasn't finished yet.
She hasn't finished yet. Carrots, celery, spinach, corn, broccolini, fresh branches in the back there. Clean the bottom, and the birds are now down on the ground eating. That's Keshet just flown up the top. They're the 3 babies on the ground. Babies look big, don't they? We need to find someone to pass them on to. They're now, what, 2 months old, the babies? Looking at wifey, and she's agreeing. So we need to look to pass these birds on ASAP. Normally we have someone up in North Queensland, but we've not been in contact with her for a while. Don't know what's going on. So we'll have to find some way of passing these birds on to someone. Of course, we keep tightening Keshet. Sounds like there might be a cat in the background. Everyone's going a bit noisy, a bit wild. Even the young ones here are reacting. We have roaming cats around here. It's a real annoyance. Okay. Yeah, these guys are all going off, so there's something around. But they're all fully feathered, eating by themselves. You can hardly tell the difference now, can you, between the babies? That's Keshet down here. Okay, let's tighten over here. That's baby blue on top. That's a baby green over here.
Mother.
And there's Keshet over here. The other baby green, don't know where she is. Here she comes, over to baby blue.
They love their millet spray.
And that's a baby green eating some millet spray. That's Keshet the mama eating some millet spray. That's Titan down here looking to get a feed without being annoyed by the babies. Okay, I'm being annoyed by mosquitoes. Have to go and feed the other birdies.